It's going to show you how to get your time back. In those 2 hours every single day, it doesn't have to be straight 2 hours. Look, while I was getting ready in the morning at 3:30 a.m., I was listening to a training. I took every lunch break and I listened to a training or plugged into the free live Zooms. I was constantly in my car, driving here, driving there. I was listening, I was plugging in. And everything that I was learning, I just implemented. I had to master the 2 hour workflow. And because I made it my mission, yes, I was able to quit both of those jobs within just 10 weeks. I have been doing this almost 17 months now. I work from home. I've got my time back with my family. I have literally no debt, none. For the first time in my life, I have a savings account that is stacked. I never knew what that felt like. Never. I'm investing. I'm doing all the things I could have only dreamed of doing, but I'll be honest with you. If I would not have found this 17 months ago, I would still be working 18 hours a day.